Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Leek with all things Leek the Nail Geek. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for your support, I appreciate it. Alright, today we're doing a SHEIN haul part 2. So, let's dig into this. Let's see what I got today. And if you wanted to know, so I got this shirt that I have on. I'll show you the bag that inspired it, or that I took it from. I was in Vegas with my family, March of 2020. Make sure you check out those videos. So we were, going on the strip, and we stopped in the M&M store, because who doesn't love M&Ms, right? So we get to the M&M store, and they have all these beautiful shirts, y'all. Like with the little sayings on them, you're like, oh, that's cute. This was only on a bag, y'all, and I'll show you the bag. But I wanted it in a shirt, so I contacted a small business, a good friend of mine, and it is C Designs with Passion. Shout out to my girl. She went ahead and hooked me up with this shirt, and it is a good material, V-neck. I love V-necks. And it says, originally classy, intelligent, alluring, sophisticated, brown. Okay? Me, you know what I'm saying? And on the back, I'll show you the back detail as well, because it's not my first time wearing the shirt. It just says Mrs. Leek, me. And she added that little extra for me. First package. Let's see. They all do come in these individual packages. You don't know. Ooh, yeah. So this is the lace. Oh, I love that lace fill-in. Okay, guys. Loving this. Okay, love the way this lace feels. It's soft. I don't see any snags so far. Loving that. Second item. Ooh, I love this material. Oh, these shorts, guys. I wanted some workout shorts. I can't believe I got some, y'all. Some nice little workout shorts, or around the house shorts. It's really soft material. I don't know how to better explain that. But let's see how it fits, okay? So next one, I would grab the second. I got the shorts in 2 different colors. I got the red or burgundy, and then I got the black, to try on, Hopefully that fits. They do feel soft and comfortable. Let's see. Oh, this was so cute. So, as you see that leopard detail, so this is a cute little black V-neck. I can get it open for you. There we go. It's a cute little black V-neck, and it has a tie leopard too. Anywho, it's got the animal print tie, which is really cute. That material is really that soft cotton, so I'm liking that. Next we have, and I'm putting these aside in order so I can try them on in order. Next we have just a regular pair of jeans with some flare leg. I am big on the bell bottoms and getting back to the bell bottoms, guys, or what you guys call wide leg or flare leg, with the flares, or phrase, sorry. And these do stretch, so I'm hopeful on those. We shall see. Next we have, oh, so that black shirt I got in this coral color as well, because as you see, I like pink. It's really cute. And I love lace, but you guys can really see the detail on the lace on this one. And it is a V-neck. And it it's not really see-through. Alright, so next up, I did it, y'all. So I couldn't get over this shirt. Okay? So now I got it. I saw in the comments, the reviews of the shirt. It said to order at least 2 sizes up. So if y'all remember, the last one I ordered, I didn't even try it on. Because I knew it was going to be like to here, okay? It wasn't even long enough, and that was a large. Here, mind you, I didn't go 2 sizes up. I went 1 size up. This is an extra large. And see how long that is? Now, I feel like this one will work. I am going to try it on. I am very hopeful for this one, okay? Okay. And of course, I couldn't say no because last time I tried it, I think I had like 4 colors. We have to go back to the other SHEIN haul to see. But the 2 colors I could not let go because this bright yellow and that baby blue. Please look at that, y'all. You know this one is gonna work, okay? You know it is. And this is what I mean, I love the detail. You see that? I love that. And it's at the bottom too, which is why I could not let it go. Love the colors. So next up, loving this too. This is really soft, guys. So I saw this little cami, and I was like, I gotta try it. Look at that, isn't it pretty? Pair that with a nice pair of jeans and it flares at the bottom. Cute, cute. And then, can't wait to try this stuff on. It's got little papers. This is what keeps falling if you see it. It's got little papers in there with it. And so next is this cute little red off the shoulders top. You can see that. Floral. So that should work, yes. And then I got, almost have the last bag, y'all. Ooh, okay. So I wasn't sure how this was gonna look, the material. So the material does change. Y'all saw that, right? So apparently it's not a adjustable strap. This here can slide, but you want to keep that in the middle. So this little top, it's just like a little cute little top. It's a different material at the top, and then at the bottom, look at that. I am a sucker for this, you guys. Any type of lace looking lace or cute little cutout design, I love, okay? Cute. Hoping all this stuff works, okay? And then, so, let me tell y'all a little story about this here. First, let me show it to you. Y'all see this? And it's cute. It's a romper, okay? A romper. Or they call it a skirt on. I call it a romper. That's what I call it, okay? Jumpsuit, skirt, whatever. Okay. So I initially purchased a similar item from a different site, and it had a side zipper. This one does not. And I purchased that one, guys. This was before quarantine, so I can't blame it on quarantine. I purchased that one in a large. This one is a extra large. So let me tell you. I purchased it. I never tried it on, never wore it. Then I was like, oh, my brother's getting married. I love my new sister-in-law, by the way. That's my girl. So she's having a bridal shower, and I was like, oh, this will be cute, you know. I can wear this with my little turtleneck, you know, I got a pink turtleneck, you know, I thought it would be cute. Now, when you shop online at these places, because like these items are like $8 a piece or so, you get what you pay for. Sometimes you get like real good quality, you guys. Like seriously, really good quality clothes for a decent price, you know? And that's what I look for, those bargains. That's what I keep. That's what I do not return. That zipper. It failed you. I mean, I got there, I drove myself there, I was cute, that was real cute. I sat down, And that zipper. Okay, no, but seriously, that zipper. I'm glad it was all female bridal shower, and my mom and my new sister, they helped me out. I wore a coat around my waist because the zipper was like here, guys. The zipper was here. So, yeah, I sat down and it was like, okay. Out in public, okay? I was like so embarrassed. But I love the outfit. So this has no zipper. And it actually has a little give. Because the girl is curvy, okay? So let's try these on. I'm glad I could replace it with the same color, similar item. So let's try these on. So I'm going to do this braiding the same way I did my last video. I'm giving this shirt a 10 out of 10. I love the deep V, the lace, and the fit is amazing. This one also, deep V love, and the bow in the back is really cute. I do have it tied really tight in the back, so I will loosen it up when I actually wear it. Love these high waist jeans. They are super comfortable and definitely super cute. Another lace shirt, just like the black one. Love it. 10 out of 10. This shirt here, you guys, finally, love it. Love the fit. Same shirt, different colors, 10 out of 10. This shirt was just a little too big. I give it a 9 out of 10, but the material is so soft. So soft, and it's really pretty. Really pretty. I give this one a 10 out of 10. Perfect fit. Material's nice. And I love the design. This one was 8 out of 10. The deep V is cute. Love the back, but it's kind of big on me. But I love the little lace and flare, how it flares out. So this one I give, guys, a 10 out of 10. Finally got a replacement. That works. Yes. My dress is cute. Not too short, as you can see. Alright, so I'm back. I am not returning anything. I am actually happy with everything that I purchased, including the shirt. It's really that soft cotton, y'all, on the side. But it's soft cotton. I love the animal print detail bow in the back. That's adorable. We can make the bow whatever you want. As tight as you want, as loose as you want. It's still a deep V in the front and in the back. No complaints, really. I am keeping everything. You get what you pay for when it comes to some of the materials. Feeling, some of them are soft, some of them are like, you don't know, but definitely worth trying. And until next time, y'all, thank you for watching. Thank you for support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video, okay? Thumbs it up. Bye.